Now we are going to create a screw jack assembly. The screw jack assembly is the third exercise number in the automobile engineering drawing. Let's go for new and start assembly and give screw jack assembly modeling. Okay, assembly. And uncheck the use default template. Go for metric unit template. Okay. Now let's bring in the first part, the body, and go to let it be aligned to the default. Okay, everything is fixed, fully constrained. Okay, the next part is nut. Assemble the nut. Okay, let us bring in, bring it up. Okay, and let's show the axis, it's there. Let's align these two axes. Okay, axis to the axis of this body to coincident. Okay, then let's give this datum plane to this datum plane to coincident, and let us align again the right datum plane of the nut to the right datum plane of the body to coincident. Okay, in addition to that, let's give a distance between these two at be 180. Let's see, it should be 160 then. Okay, let's give 160, 162.5 something. Okay, we can see the gap. Okay, the next part we have to assemble is the screw spindle. Okay, and again let's bring it up. Okay, let us align these two planes, this plane to this plane. Okay, flip it. Okay, and give okay, let us keep it like that, 2.5. Okay, let's see, and before that let us hide these. Okay, now let us assemble. Let's constrain these two datum planes, and let's constrain right to the right of the spindle. Now it's fully constrained. Okay, next part, let's bring in the cup. Okay, let's bring it up. Let's constrain this plane to this at a distance of -16. Okay, 16 goes. Okay, and then let us align the datum planes. Okay, next one is front to the front, and let us make it coincident with the right to right. Okay, then let us edit the distance. It's gone in the other direction. Let's make it coincident. Try to create some gap. Okay, 12 then. Okay, see the different parts here. The next part we had assemble is washer. Okay, so let's bring it up. Let us align this plane to this. Okay, and let us assemble this plane to this to coincident, and let's align front to the front to coincident. Okay, and this one let us keep it as a distance. Let's take that. Okay, downward 5 mm. Okay, 10 mm maybe. Sounds okay. It's too much heavy. So let us take this as some 6 mm. Okay, and then this is unwanted constraint. It's fully constrained. The final part is counter screw part. Let us assemble this. Before assembling it, let's bring it up. Okay, and this axis to axis will work first. Okay, then let us make this datum plane to coincident with this datum plane. Let us give later the distance let's give maybe some 16 mm, then in the reverse direction that will work, maybe lesser than that. Okay, now the final part is tummy bar. Okay, let's bring it up. Let's align this, make this axis to coincident. Okay, it's done. Okay, then let's align the right front to the front to coincident, and then the right, I mean it's top right already we have taken, and then this plane at a distance minus, let's say something, maybe 30. Okay, that's how we have created assembly modeling of the screw jack. Thank you for watching.